What's up, everybody? Your boy Pat back again with another edition of Patrick Unplugged. Today's topic of the day is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6.
This is a Heat Rocks production.
Now, before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell as it helps out the channel. Now, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, they have went back to the bezel on this version. This is the classic. Let's look at the box really quickly. You got the watch, you got Samsung branding, it says Galaxy Watch, got a little bit of different colors on the band here. On the right side, you got blank. On the top, you got blank. On the left, it says Samsung Galaxy Watch. On the back, I'm not going to show you it because it's got a lot of sensitive information, but it says Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, goes through all the stuff that it has. So, inside the box, nothing there. You're getting a book here, or books in here. You got your Samsung brand in there. Let's see what's inside exactly, if we can get it out. Okay, there's some stuff. There's a little bit more stuff in there. Probably got to go through the other end. Okay, so you're getting nothing there. You're getting a cable. Let's see if we can get that out without ripping stuff. There we go. Okay, so you're getting your magnetic charger for your watch to sit on and a USB Type-C adapter there. You're getting terms and conditions. So we'll get all this kind of pushed over to the side and we'll check out the watch. There's the watch. You're getting some other stuff in there. Push that to the side. There's your watch. We'll see if this powers on. And this reminds me of the OG watch, to be honest, because you got the bezel that spins again, and they've actually made this thinner, which is what I've been vouching for. If you look at my other video, I was telling you that I wish they could do that, and it looks like they've made the bezel thinner, which is kind of cool because you get more real estate now on the actual face. And this is actually pretty good, significant upgrade. And I'm going to show you really quickly what I'm talking about. So here's my Galaxy Watch 5 and my Galaxy Watch 6. I'm not sure if those are the same size. They look about the same size, which is good. So one is a 44 millimeter, which is the Galaxy Watch 5, and this is a 47. But because they got that bezel and they made it really thin, they've actually, I think, perfected the bezel with the nice size screen. So I'm really excited about checking out this and seeing if this is going to be my new watch that I rock in lieu of the Galaxy Watch 5. But some other things you're getting in here, I got some bands. Let's check this out really quick. So you got the bands. So it's got this push button. This is different now. So before you used to have that little, the things here used to have to, there was a little kind of slider thing here. You had to grab it with your fingernail and kind of push it in. But this one, it looks like, yeah, it just pops in. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe it's the other side. Okay, I'm not gonna do this on screen, but it's supposed to be easier. Different though, I like the band, pretty cool. What else you getting in here? Nothing. You're getting in here, it looks like, I don't know what these are. This is different. Let's see what these are. Caution, seal, packaging. I don't know what these are. And I don't know what these are, but they're stickers of some sort. So we'll have to look and see what these exactly are. If somebody knows what they are, please put it down in the comments, because I don't know what this is for. But the watch, that's the unboxing, so you can see it, what it looks like. But that is the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. I'm really excited to have the spinning bezel again, man. I really missed it on my last couple of watches, so I'm excited to have this back again so I can rock it. But I'll let you see the Galaxy Watch 5 again for comparison, so you can see it before we do the outro on this video. Shout out to everybody rocking me on Instagram, YouTube, the Anchor app. You can also find me on Spotify, as well as Apple and Google Podcasts. And now I'm on TikTok. It's your boy Pat. Peace. Catch you on the next one.